Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be revamping this camo jacket. So all you need is pretty much whatever you want to put on there. I wanted to use some lace, some fringes, some patches, some buttons. Just, you could pretty much use whatever you want. And I'm going to be using my glue gun and my E6000 glue. These unicorn are actually nipple covers. I actually bought them for Pride so I could cover my nipples, but then I decided to use them as a patch. So there you go. So right here I put on my logo. This is my old one that I made for my birthday last year, and then the one that I have now is my new logo, and I pretty much just Mod Podge it onto the back of the jacket. I made that this morning. Like, y'all should have seen me. When I say there's more.